Sharing content on your Minga is an easy and great way to drive engagement in your community. By default, owners and managers are allowed to create posts. You can change this to include as many different roles as you like in Minga settings. To start sharing, click the Add button. Here you can choose a variety of different ways to share content. Select and create your post type and click Preview. Here you'll be given the opportunity to preview your post and make any changes before publishing. Don't have time to finish creating your post? You can save a draft for later by clicking Cancel. Want your post to be published at a later date? No problem. Go to Advanced Publish Settings and choose a publish date. Once you have reviewed your post, click Publish. And that's it! You have now shared a post with your Minga.